I'm Ashley.
And I'm Malachi.
And welcome to Months of the Year. In this video, we're going to learn the months of the year. Are you ready?
Let's go.
There are 12 months in a year. This is a calendar page. On the top of each calendar page, you'll see the name of the month. Then each of the days in the month are listed. Let's start with the first one.
January.
This is January, the first month of the year, or month number 1. There are 31 days in January. Say it with me. January.
February.
This is February, the second month of the year, or month number 2. There are usually 28 days in February, but sometimes 29. Say it with me. February.
March.
This is March, the third month of the year, or month number 3. There are 31 days in March. Say it with me. March.
April.
This is April, the fourth month of the year, or month number 4. There are 30 days in April. Say it with me. April.
May.
This is May, the fifth month of the year, or month number 5. There are 31 days in May. Say it with me.
May. June.
This is June, the sixth month of the year, or month number 6. There are 30 days in June. Say it with me. June.
July.
This is July, the seventh month of the year, or month number 7. There are 31 days in July. Say it with me. July.
August.
This is August, the 8th month of the year, or month number 8. There are 31 days in August. Say it with me. August.
September.
This is September, the 9th month of the year, or month number 9. There are 30 days in September. Say it with me. September.
October.
This is October, the 10th month of the year, or month number 10. There are 31 days in October. Say it with me. October.
November.
This is November, the 11th month of the year, or month number 11. There are 30 days in November. Say it with me. November.
December.
This is December, the 12th month of the year, or month number 12. There are 31 days in December. Say it with me. December. And there you have it. You just learned the 12 months of the year. Now be sure to practice what you've learned with our fun online games and quizzes.
And remember to always be clever.
Hey!